Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English classes. This morning in one of my classes, a student of mine told me that her grandma had come to stay with her and her parents, and that she was going to be staying for at least the next month. I asked whether this was a good thing in her eyes, and I asked how she got on with her grandmother. And she replied by saying that basically she got on pretty well so long as she steered clear of certain topics. If you steer clear of something or steer clear of someone, you basically avoid them because they're unpleasant or dangerous or likely to cause problems. So maybe with people in your family or people you know, or sometimes just in classrooms, you might steer clear of certain topics in case things get heated, in case things kick off and arguments start. You might have an unspoken agreement with people that you'll basically try to keep things civil and steer clear of certain topics like politics or religion, especially if there are wedge topics that have driven a wedge between you, like Brexit did with me and my father. You might try your best to steer clear of those topics. If you work with someone that you find very difficult to be around, you probably try your darndest, you try your best to steer clear of them as far as you possibly can when you're at work. You might advise friends visiting your town or your city to steer clear of certain areas after dark because they can get a bit rough. There might be a fair bit of street crime in those areas. People might sometimes get mugged. There might be a bit of dealing round there. Maybe people have their phones or their bags snatched in the street. And if you live in a touristy area, you might tell friends that, you might think it's nice living near the sea. But trust me, in the summer, the beaches are hellish. They're absolutely heaving with people, and I steer well clear of them at that time of year. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use steer clear of.